comes the train. We're gonna get on it here. All right, guys, so we are packing up this weekend. Why are we packing?
Because we're going on camping.
Where are we going?
We're going camping.
We are going camping this weekend. So we are getting our gear all packed up, our camping bags, sleeping bags, and we're heading out.
A few moments later.
All right, all packed up. Got to get the fishing poles in there, and then we're going. All right, everyone, we are all packed up. We are headed down to the campground.
If you don't subscribe,
Oh, what are you saying?
a bear will come and attack your house.
Oh my God, you better subscribe. All right, camping adventures. You ready? Ready? Let's roll.
And Daddy, it's not gonna be a
2 hours later.
All right, we finally got here. We are at Wading Pines Campground. Going that way, yes. We are headed in now. Stretch it out, stretch it out. We just had a long car ride, but we got here.
We're here. We're here.
We are here.
9 hours.
We made it. Pulling in to check in. Camping at Wading Pines Resort. Here we are.
It's a fire pit.
Without pudding.
Future camper right here.
Maybe.
A few moments later.
We're going to stay here all year.
Yep, all year. So our buddy is letting us stay. Shout out to Scott. And we're gonna unpack now, and we'll show you inside in a minute. All right, so this is our camper for the weekend. Wow! We got a bathroom. They got their own bunk beds here. We got our kitchen table. We got our big bed over here, so it's pretty decent. We got our couch with our stuff for our kayak, and we got our own shower in the back there. We got our own cooking and fridge, so not too bad. This is our campground for the weekend. These guys are already fighting over here, of course, but we're gonna unpack now, and then we're gonna go explore the campground.
1 hour later.
All right, so we got here, and now we're gonna check out the playground, Wading Pines.
Hi, Daddy.
Hello, what are you doing?
I'm tired.
Tire swings?
And at night, the slide's pretty fast. It's faster than last time. Can I just say that slide is fast?
Super fast?
Yeah, super fast.
All right, so it's about 90 some degrees. So we've decided that we are gonna go to the pool. We got our towels, we got our suntan lotion on, and we're gonna head there. Okay. All right, we got to the pool. It's pretty packed, a lot of kids out here today. Nice.
One eternity later.
Got your Star Wars towel there, man?
Yeah.
Your Baby Yoda Grogu?
Meow. Yeah.
How was the pool?
Meow.
Oh, meow, that's how the pool was?
Ow! Help! Help!
2 hours later.
All right, so we are waiting in line for the train. Bride's over here somewhere as he's hiding. They have a train that goes around the whole campground, so we are gonna go check it out in a minute when it gets here. So we're sitting here waiting for the train. As soon as it gets here, we're gonna jump on the train. So
Yeah, jump.
no, we're not gonna jump.
Yeah, we are.
Here comes the train. We're gonna get on it here. All right, we're taking off and ready to do it. Max, you ready? Here we go, here we go. Say hello.
A few moments later.
All right, we're cooking some dinner, and we got some hamburgers, some veggies, some good stuff. So gonna cook it up here and sit down and eat. I'm starving. We got some slushies there. We got our dinner ready. Everyone's ready to chow down. We're ready to eat. How's that slushie?
Good. We made a friend over there.
And you made a friend here. Cool.
Yeah, we made 2.
And you're gonna go maybe play some frisbee after dinner?
Yeah.
Cool.
3 hours later.
We're walking to the general store. We're gonna get some ice cream, and then I think we're gonna go to the arcade. And I heard there's a band playing tonight on the campground, so we're gonna go check that out. So this is the little general store. We're gonna check this out.
Wow!
Nice. So this used to be the old arcade. They still have a couple games left, but they have just some claw stuff. Now have all their merchandise out here. Bry man, what's up, Bry man?
Ice cream.
Let's go get our ice cream.
1 hour later.
All right, we're gonna head into the rec room. They got like an arcade here. Of course, they find the claw game right away. Wouldn't be a Bry Max Brothers episode if we didn't play some video games or find some claw games. They got a pool table here, and they got a snack bar in the back.
The white ball.
There you go. All right. Playing pool for the first time here. Bry Max Brothers playing pool. Oh my gosh.
I was trying to bounce
That was bad.
Actually, kind of worked out. Actually, I was trying to hit off the ear.
Okay. All right, so we got Harley Davidson that Max is playing, and we got Pac-Man and Galaga.
Pac-Man, not Space Invaders.
No, it's Galaga. Probably saying that wrong. Miss Pac-Man is what you wanted, though. You got to rev it back, Max. Rev it back. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Oh, hold on.
Hey, there you go. Good job.
Did we get a pool? I think he's got one. What'd you get? Let me see. What'd you get? Let me see. Little bouncy ball. All right. Good job, Bry. All right, we've got the fire going. These guys are tired, though, huh? Bedtime? No. Well, we did get the fire getting, and we're going to do some s'mores once it gets a little dark out here. But we are going to, we're going to enjoy the fire for a little bit tonight as the temperatures drop a little bit.
1 eternity later.
All right, it is time to make some s'mores because it wouldn't be a camp without some s'mores because they're the best things literally ever. So if you don't know what a s'more is, it is a flaming marshmallow on a graham cracker with a piece of chocolate. And they are absolutely delicious. So we're getting our marshmallows all toasty, and then we're gonna make our s'mores together. How was it?
Well,
It's good. Mouthful of goodness. Max, you got yours?
yeah.
How was it?
This is a friend.
And your friends here, they're making some too. Awesome. Time to eat the s'mores.
3 hours later.
All right, we are headed over to the pond. It's like a little mini lake that they keep stocked. They have a catch and release over there. So we are going fishing. What do you got, Max? Your tackle box? Yeah. All right, we got our poles and we're headed over. So we'll see if we catch anything. They got some fish food if you want to buy it.
Yeah, you see the flower thing?
A lily pads.
That has the flower on it?
Yeah.
What is that?
We have not caught anything yet, but we're
We
still
found
trying.
a turtle.
We found a little baby turtle down there, though,
Yeah.
but no fish yet. We're looking. All right, well, we didn't catch any fish, but we are headed back now, so we're gonna go make breakfast, and then they have like an arts and crafts thing, so.
Go to the playground. We're gonna do another film about the playground.
Oh, we're going to the playground again. Okay, we'll see. All right, we're heading back now. All right, so we're headed to the craft shack, and these guys are going to do some arts and crafts. What do you got there? A little campfire, like last night? And you made a butterfly?
Bryson's making a...
And Bry's making a butterfly too?
Yeah.
Awesome.
I'm just adding a lot of detail. And next week, probably gonna do a camp.
All right.
I think I'm gonna play with you.
All right, we're headed out. We had a fun time, and we enjoyed a lot of the activities, so we will be back again for sure, but Waiting Pines Campground was definitely a blast. What'd you guys think? You having fun?
Yeah, it was fun.
Okay. All right. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.